I spent a lot of this year doing computer videos, so I thought I'd close the year out with something different. This is a motorized RF contactor built by Harris Broadcast, and a couple AM radio stations that I helped take care of. These are used to change antenna tuning networks and phasing equipment in the antenna. So they switch RF circuits at very high power, around 5,000 watts. And they do this with a little 240 volt AC motor. What I'll do is go ahead and switch it to the other position. One of the things I wanted to do was, with rebuilding this contactor, was also to go in and clean the contacts. You can see dirt does tend to build up on them. This is the switch assembly without the contacts. Inside the switch are two micro switches, which are normally closed. And when power is applied to the switch, what will happen is when it pushes the slider all the way to one side, the micro switch opens and turns off the motor. When you change directions, the relay engages and switches to the second micro switch on the other side. It's a double pole, double throw switch, and you'll see that when it changes positions, a shorting bar moves from one set of contacts to the other sets of contacts, and that's how it makes or breaks the switch. If I want to manually switch it, there's a button on the side you could push in. You put a screwdriver in it, and you can manually turn it to the other position. There's a 240 volt AC supply that I use to power this. It's designed to operate from 208 volts. That's the thing over here, and it's got a switch where I could throw it from one position to the other. And although the majority of these switches that I have are all over 30 years old, Harris still manufactures and supports parts for everything that's used in them. And possibly these old RF transfer switches may outlive AM broadcasting itself.